What's up guys, it's General Stuff Guy here. We're gonna just do football for a little bit. So I mean, like, shout out to tylerallington for giving me the idea, because I was just watching this football video and I thought, well, may as well get some exercise in as well. Anyways, let's get started. So I've got the setup done over there. Yeah, I'm just gonna be doing penalty shots for the time being. So, you okay? Quite wide, but I mean high, sorry. But if you're wondering what that sculpting is, it's just the grassy bit just outside my house over there. Gets really wet and stuff during the winter months and some of the spring. So that's what the noise is. Anyways, I know it's not really a point of watching this because I've not got many people. I've got no one to do it with really. Anyways, shot number 3. I very much underestimated how cold it was going to be, so I'm just going to get some stuff on. I'm just going to get some jumper on. Again, shout out to tylerallington for the video idea. Just hold a minute. Got my 2022 Leavers jumper on. Shout out to all my people who went in my class and to school with me. Shout out to them. Okay, back out we go. Yeah, that's a lot better. If the camera shakes, I'm sorry guys. I am trying to get a new stability camera if I get enough subscribers. And I may be starting a Twitch channel soon. So you can all go to that if you want. Anyways, let's try and get this one dead straight in the centre. Okay, let's go. That was terrible. I accidentally toe punched it, that's why. But I mean, not too bad for the first couple of shots. Could do better on that than the other one. Let's go for this. That just went into the corner because it bounced. I hate it. Back to school tomorrow for me. Bloody hell. Tired. And I don't know why, because I got a really good night's sleep yesterday. Anyway, 5th shot, let's get into it. That one was good, that went into the right. That was good. Just saying guys, when I mean general stuff guy, I mean general stuff, like everything. I'm going to be doing golf, I'm going to be doing football, basketball, tennis, maybe some gaming, and like workout videos and stuff. So that'll be fun. Again, for the third time, shout out to tylerallington. He's helped me with my YouTube channel, so shout out to him. I don't know why I keep It's a beautiful day, look at that. Look at it. Comment what you think, what trick I should learn for football. I can do a few kip-ups even, whatever they're called. My dad taught me how to do them. Go subscribe to Ton-and-One Golf. Follow on Ton-and-One Golf on TikTok. I've also got a TikTok account, just saying. So you can go follow that. Anyways. I don't even know what shot I'm on now. Anyways, whatever shot number this is. Let's go. That That was very, 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 very high. Anyways, moving on. I'm going to be doing some stop motions as well. On TikTok, yeah? Go follow Lego Motions. Right? Go follow him. He's my brother. Go follow him, please. Let's get his follow-up count. Let's get his follower count to go up. Yeah? Let's go. Whatever number shot this is. That was good. That was near the middle. Ish, maybe. I don't know. But, I mean, yeah. All good so far. I want to get George to come out, but I don't think he's in. Anyways. Anyway, if you want to collab, or if you want to do something with me, just ask me in my comments, and if you go to my school or something like that, you know who you are. If you want to collab, just do comment and we'll kind of like organise something if you want. That was terrible. I hate having no one out here because look, literally just look at this. Look. No village apart from Apethorpe, which is way down there. It's like a mile away, look at that. The closest kid is next door and he's 9 years old. So I'll get flamed for that, and I don't want that. Anyways, I'm going to do a couple of gaming videos later. But for now, this is going to be the last shot. Whoa, look. Huge kite just came into my backyard. Yo, look, it's there. Look. I get loads of them around here. I'm not really sure why. But they're so majestic and everything. It's just remarkable. Anyways, last shot. Let's get into it. Let's make this a good one. That was a good one, dead straight. Yeah. Anyway, go follow Tiles. Go follow Tiles. Tiles stop. tylerallington. Bloody hell. And yeah, see you guys later. General stuff guy out.